Welcome back guys. In this module, we'll see how can we create release and components for our project. From the Jira homepage, we can click on release link here. It will take us to release page. At this moment, we have not created any release, but now we can create a release, create a version. Just give it the name to release. Let's say release 0.1, something like that. And we can give it a date, maybe a month or so. I will not go in detail to that because these release and components should be normally managed by the project manager or the scrum master. And we can create the components. So the components are uh, the normally the business areas we're going to write our test case in, or we're going to perform some development activities. So again, it is decided by the scrum master or by the whole project team. Considering our current scenario, as we discussed in the past, that we'll have three different components: login, transaction, and logout. So we'll create three different components here too, just to make sure that we are on the same page. Click on this, create a component named login. We can even select a person as a component lead and the default project assignee. But in this scenario, we won't be going into detail in that. I'm just creating one component as login. I can create another component as transaction. As I mentioned, components are normally the business units, we are focusing in. And then we can create one more as logout. Okay, we have created three components now. Now, from now onwards, whenever we are creating epic stories, test cases, or bug, or anything else, any other issue type, we should be able to link those issue types to this component and to this release for our traceability purpose. Thank you very much, guys, for your time. We'll see you in the next session.